Hi guys, welcome to Niger Pride Crazy Tips. And if today is the first time of visiting this our channel, please do well to subscribe to this our channel because here we'll do videos on how to create mobile app and also how to make money online and stuff like that. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel so you can be able to watch more of our video anytime we publish a new video, any content like this, and you can be able to watch it and also apply it to your own skills. And yeah, I hope you're gonna make see the exact results that we are getting here. So today we are going to talk about how we can create love SMS app. And as you can see during our previous video, we talked about how we can remove ADS limit on our admob dashboard. So today we are going to talk about how to create the love SMS, which we have been advertising on this platform. And besides, I would like you to do one thing for me. Here we do videos and also help people to create app, and you were not paying me, and I don't even know you and you don't even know me. We can only communicate here. So if you have any question, you can just drop it on the comment section of this video. And please and please hit that like button. Even if you don't like what we are doing, just give me that like. For me, devoting my time to do this for you here, it's something that worth appreciating. So please appreciate us by hitting that like button and also subscribe to this channel. If you don't love what we are doing here, just subscribe for no reason. Okay, subscribe for no reason. All right, so we'll start. Here you can see, if you open that your appcreator24, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see that HTML section of that app, and inside that your appcreator24 dashboard, you're going to see this. You understand? The only difference there is that inside that one, you're going to see paste your code. Who is calling me? So the only difference is that here you're going to see paste your codes here. That is the only difference in there. So we're going to clean here, but this is exactly what you're going to see there. So now what we're going to do now is that we're going to start to write our codes. Under this head tag, we are going to put something like this. We're going to put something there. So you will need to pay maximum attention so you can get what we are doing. So first of all, we're going to put style. I'm going to put this style. You close it. Then you come to this side. You now put hashtag example 1. Let's say example 1, yeah. And we then put, let's use this to close it. Start it, open it, and we'll start by writing our code. Now say border, put this 2px, let's say I use 2px. Solid red. So but before this will work the way it's supposed, you can see this place now. There is style here, so there is also supposed to be another tag here, closing tag of that style. You understand? So once you put the remaining tag here, you will see, notice that all these codes is going to change color, showing that it's now working correctly. So let's put it down, say put this man, put this, and now say style. You close it. You noticed? Did you notice anything? So the reason why I used this example is that maybe the time that you're trying to do your own and this color is not changing this way, just try to make sure you put this closing tag of this style so it can change the colors, and everything will be working fine for you. Okay, so now let's go. The next thing we'll do now is, since we've entered our border, which is 2px solid red, then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put our padding. Padding is going to be, let's put 10px. Okay, then the next one, we're going to put the border radius. Put this, and the border radius is going to be, let's put 50 px by 20 px. Okay, now we can put text align. If you like, you put the text align. Since this padding here is already here, you don't need to put that text align, but if you like, you can still put it, but I don't see the need. So that is it. So we're going to close it by putting this sign. You see, watch what I did now. You see this at the starting point and this at the closing point. And another important thing is that you will always make sure you put this sign, this particular one, this one at the back of this red. Make sure you put it, this is it, make sure you put it at the end of any of those listed things there. Now that is it. We have configured the head part of the app. Now we're going to enter the body part of this stuff. Here we're going to put something here to configure what we've written so far, because if you click at this output, it's not going to show you anything because you haven't configured it well, so it can show. So, and let's go back. Here is our body tag of this app. Now we're going to put something here. Then this ID is going to call on that example, though after I will explain to you. We can be, hope you're following what we're doing. After this, I will take my time to explain everything. Here is where you're going to put your message, SMS. Okay, you can see this now. You can see it. Okay, let's put on the paragraph here so it will look very neat. You can see it. This is what we've done so far. So here, let's put this. Baby, I love you. I love you. And you are the only one that fits to be my love. You see it? Now let's see it. Baby, baby, I love you and you are the only one that fit to be my love. You can see it here. Now, you can easily change this. Let me explain this to you so you don't get confused. You can see here now we have about two sections of this code, which is the first head part of it and also the body side of the code. Are you getting it? So this particular one now is not going to show in that app. Rather, what we wrote here is what we're going to see. But without this one, without this body part will not work. It's just like configuration, getting information from what we did here. The information will now appear at the body part of the HTML code. Hope you're getting what I'm saying. Now, you see this place, this body, this particular example here is serving as the ID. You understand? Once you make mention of this example 1, it's going to show you what we've written here so far. Are you getting it now? It's going to get information from this example 1. Like if you change this to example 2 and change some certain things here, it's going to show you different thing. Are you getting it? Like, let's see what we are talking about. Let's just copy this. Let's just copy it like this. Copy it and now paste it here. You see? Now, and also, let's also name, let's also name this okay, let's name this example 2. Example 2. Are you getting it? The first one is example 1, and now we are on example 2. You get? Now, it's going to be possible that if you change anything here, like let's change this 50 to, okay, let's say 50, and now change this to 50 also instead of 20. Now, if you click here, you'll notice that this particular one is okay. This is the example 1, right? Now, let's now grab information from the example 2. Here, you go to the body parts of it, which is here, and now write your code. You now say div. You now call on that ID, the ID, which is that example 2. Example 2. Example 2. You see it? You know, say, you open a tag, put this P. This code is very simple. It's not stressful. It's just simple code. Only that if you make a mistake, it's going to fish you out and it's not going to work well for you. So you have to be very careful while using this. And I'll say this is example 2. You now close it. HE3. I hope you know the meaning of that HE3. That HE3 is the font. I mean the hair, yeah, okay. Okay. Here we're going to put this here, and also come down here and also put this and close it. Let's also put paragraph here, P. Now let's see what we've done so far. You can see that the stuff glitched. This example 2 now entered inside that example 1. So let's see where the problem is coming from. This. Okay. 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 Okay, so so I said before, and you can see it. This is it, baby. I love you, and you are the only one that fit to be my love. And another one is that if you really want to change the shape of this, you can simply say, you can simply go to this place and put this code. Come here and give a space, and then you can now put down this, and you put the IV, then the ID, which is equal to example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Now, you now put P, sorry, P, do this. Here you're going to write anything. Let's put something like I'd like to see you next Friday for fresh date. Then after that, you open the tag and put your P. And close it. That is all. You are done. And then you come down here and put, make sure you put this sign, otherwise it's not going to work. Sorry. DIV. You now close it. Then let's check it out. You can see what's going on. The reason why this first one is kind of bolder than this is because of this. If you come here now, you notice that here I put HE2 here, but here is empty. You see it? Now let's put it. Let's say we come here and put HE. Let's put HE3. Then as you put HE3 here, you make sure that at the end of the text you put that same HE3. And close it. Right, now let's check it now. You see it's now bolder. Alright, so now if you really want to change the shape, like change this shape, you can still do that by putting something here. You go to example 2. If you want to change for example 1, you change for example. If you want to change for example 2, you can change it here. Change this, the radius here. This is 50 and 20. So but for it to be far different from what is going on there, let's say we put something here 20. Okay, let's say 35 by 20. You check it here, you notice that there's a great difference. There's a very great difference. You can see it. Now if you really want to change the color of that particular one to okay, you can just say solid red and put blue here. Let's check it now. You can see it is changed. That is it. Now you can go ahead and do more and more with this. The only thing that you need to do is just to click on it like this. Then make sure you put your design, put div, then put the ID of the particular one you are calling. And I'm trying to do it this way. Put this sign, and you now put the particular one that you would like to work under is example 2 or example 1. Let's use example 1 this time. Okay, then you now put P. You now close it. Put your text here. Put your text here, or if you want it to be bold, you can also say HE3. You understand? Now you now put your text here. I love you, baby. Can we chat on WhatsApp now? Online. You now make sure you close it with that HE3 again. H3. Close it. Close it. Open another bracket again and then put P. Then let's check it. You see what's happened? The borderline didn't show. Now let's go back to check for the reason why it happened that way. Okay, you see we are missing this div here. Okay, now we're going to put it here. Div, close it. You can see it. It's not showed, but you see what's going on here now. This particular one now hooked with the other one. Now to give it that space, what are you going to do? You can just go straight to your code and then click on just hit here and put P. That P means paragraph. You can see it. So that is how you do it. You can easily go to your appcreator24 with this code like this now and continue editing. Now, assuming that we want to make it, we will need to beautify it. Yeah. What are we going to do? We're going to go to our header, tag, and change some certain things. This is 50 by 20 px, and here we have 35 by 20. Let's make here 50 by, let's say, 10. You see what's going on there? You see what's going on here? Now let's now say 50 by 10. Okay, I think this particular shape, I like this shape compared to this shape. Okay, let's now change the shape to 50-50. Let's know the one that will be fine. 50-50. You see the both sides are in a rounded way. So which one are we going to choose? Which one do you prefer? Give me comments right now. Which one do you prefer? Okay, now let's change it again to 50 by 5. Let's see what will happen. Oh, this is great. I love this. I like this. I like this. Now let's change the other one to 50 and also 5. You can see it is very nice. It looks good. I like this. So now, and also let's change the font here. This font is too bold. And let's go back here and change the font, which is we like see this one is H3, but here we have H2. So we're going to change that H2 to H3 so that it will the font will be the same. H3. Sorry, H3. Go to the back and change it to H3. You can see it now. It's not the same thing. Alright, now what are we going to do? What's the next thing that we're going to do right now is that let's beautify this. Like if you want to change the background of this, we can just do that by adding background to this place. Background. With this, let's say the background should be okay. Let's put blue. Let's say blue. You can see. You can see. You see. Now you can change that blue to any color of your choice. Let's say brown. You can see. You see it, it's very neat. You can also change this, the other first one. Edit this one also to put the background here. Put the background here and do this, and you can also say good. You can, okay, let's say gold. You see, it's very simple. So you can be changing the colors like this. You can be changing the colors like this. It's very neat. You can see it is very nice, and I like it. I like it. I like it. So what else are we going to do now? We're going to copy this code as we have programmed it to our appcreator24 HTML and also run the app. I'm going to run the app so it will look good. So please, what else do you want me to include on this app? Give me comments at the comment section so that next time we'll continue with your suggestions. So we're going to stop here. Maybe the next video, after reading your comments and like what we are going to be adding on this app. Yeah, I'd like for you guys to suggest something that will make it very good, neat. You understand? So like this, you can just copy this to your loved one. It's very easy like this. You understand? The next thing is just place your ads like this and it will be working effectively for you. Okay, so like it, if you like it, just subscribe to this channel. Alright, now we move to we just select all of this code and copy it. Now let's go to our appcreator24. Appcreator24. It will open, and now here we're going to create a new app. Here we're going to put the name of the app. Let's say Love SMS. Right, now let's choose from gallery the icon. Which icon are we going to use? Which icon? We're talking about Love SMS. Okay, what are we going to use here now? Something that would look familiar with what we are saying. Alright, so let us choose any of these. Let's say Love SMS. Here we're going to give it a description. Love SMS app. Okay, that is it. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to click next, and it's going to save. Here we're going to check this. Maybe we'll continue with the holo. Right here we are not going to select anything here. The only thing that we need to do now is just to click this up here. Click here so that it will take you back to the main menu, and also you will locate your app there. You can see the Love SMS app here. Click on it, and here you go straight to section. You create a new section. Now this is what we are going to be using. You can see this young man here called HTML. This is what we are going to be using. Then we click on it, and we are going to say enter directly HTML code. We're going to use the second one, which is click next. So this was what I was like telling you that time, that this is what you're going to see, and this is a doc type or this. But here, remember, we copied everything. Then we're going to use the other one. So we're going to use the other one of the app. I'm going to use, let's go to section, create section. Now we're going to click on this HTML. Now we're going to make use of HTML editor. This is going to give you a blank sheet for you to write a code. Now click next. Here you're going to put the section title Love SMS. Okay. Now we're going to paste that's our code here. We've pasted the code. What else? We're going to save. We have saved the stuff. Now we're going to click on design and check the menu type. Right, and also the main menu type is here. We're going to use without menu, and save it. What is the next thing now is to download our app. This app is not yet ready, available. Try again in next 1 minute. So we're going to wait for 1 minute and see what will happen. Okay. Alright, you can see now we can now be able to download the app by clicking at this download button, and you can see the app is now downloading. Now we need to open it and install it. And after the installation, we're going to open it so we can see what's going on and how it is. Alright, so now we locate the app within our phone so we can be able to open it. What's the name of the app? Let's say we'll type in Love SMS. Seems this doesn't not install properly. So okay, let's reinstall it again. Sorry, this is the app. We need to install it. We go to this and allow from the source so we can be able to install the Love SMS. Okay. Say Play Protect doesn't recognize this app developer. App from unknown developer can sometime be unsafe. Then let's click on install anyway. The app is going to install. We're going to install the app right away. Let's install the app. Installation and process and progress. What is going on here? What is going on here? The app is installing. Was installed. So now we open it. So open it to wait for it to load. You know, this is the first time of opening the app here. It's going to load. Okay, you can see it. Isn't this great? Isn't this nice? Here you can just copy this to your loved ones. You can see it. Just copy the particular one that you want to send to your love, and you can just copy it. Copy, and you go to your SMS. You see the app here. It's very simple. So you can make use of this same pattern that we used here to create your own stunning app. It's very simple, and don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section, and also suggest more things that we can include in this app, so that in our next video we're going to continue from where we stopped. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Right, try to subscribe, okay?